Though late March showers may come your way, they bring the flowers in April and May. Yeah, it's day 20-something of the 59-59 challenge. I don't know, I'm wet. Got a breeze blowing here and sky opened up and got an early shower. Kind of feel bad though, because there was a group of ball players on this baseball field and I went by earlier and they got rained out, so that stinks. But the gentleman passed me about a minute ago and he said, "It's not that bad, it could be worse." To which I replied, "Always." So it's a matter of perspective.